Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's going on in the transport sector in Jamaica. The taxi operators and bus operators have been protesting for the last 2 days. Now, what they are saying is, the taxi operators and the bus operators are saying is that they're getting too many tickets from the police. Well, it all started when the police started to crack down on the tint on the vehicles. And then that led to a protest, and then other taxi operators and bus operators joined the protest saying they are getting too many tickets from the police. They can't afford to pay the tickets. The police is taking away their vehicles. The police is stopping them and giving them multiple tickets at one time. And somebody even said in an interview that if you have one warrant, the police are taking you away, and the judges assigning points when they do something wrong and taking away their driver's license, and that's how they make their livelihood. Now, a meeting was scheduled for yesterday, and today is Wednesday, September 14th. The protest started on the 12th. They were to have a meeting yesterday on the 13th, but there was a scheduling issue and no meeting was held. And so they're supposed to have the meeting today to discuss it, and that's the representatives from the taxi and bus operators, their various associations, and the transport authority. I'm not sure if the Ministry of Transport and Works, well, Transport Authority is an agency within the ministry, so I'm sure the ministry will have persons there as well, outside of the Transport Authority. So what do you guys think about what the taxi operators are saying? Because on one hand, I mean, you can understand with the high gas price and thing, it's hard to operate. But on the other hand, why can't these taxi operators, and it's not all of them, but a few, why can't they drive properly? Why can't they park in a designated area? Why can't they follow the road code, the rules of the road? And then they wouldn't have all these issues with the police and tickets and all of that. Now, mark you, they provide a service to Jamaica. The government operated bus service is inadequate to supply transport for the persons that need it. They don't have enough buses, they just don't. So a lot of persons have to use the other buses outside of the JUTC or the government buses. So yes, they provide a service, but why can't they provide the service in a more orderly manner? Stop running red lights. Stop stopping in the middle of the road to collect passengers. Stop doing those things. Drive properly. If you know you're supposed to have a certain grade tint on your car, put that grade tint on your car. If you know you have the wrong tint on your car, why are you creating such a fuss when the police pull you over? The police are just doing their job. If you know you're not supposed to stop in the middle of the road and create a traffic problem, don't do it. Just pull over to the side. Drive in a more orderly manner. And you have seen these videos. You have seen these videos of how persons drive on the road. There is a level of indiscipline that I've never seen before on the roads. Now, the government is coming with some new traffic laws. I mean, it's been 4 years in the making. They've started, the bid actually is a Traffic Act of 2018, and it's 2022, and it still has not taken effect yet. It passed in the upper and lower house recently. I think it was June or July it passed through the last house, and it's supposed to take effect soon. Now, at the end of the day, you're going to need a police to enforce these laws. So that is what the police are doing now. Enforcing the law, issuing tickets, stopping cars if they have the wrong grade tint, and this is the response they get. So it's good to see. We'll keep you updated as to the outcome or what's going to happen, or what happens after the meeting, what happens after the meeting, because in halfway tree on the 12th, the taxi operators protested in Mavis Bank and some in downtown Kingston yesterday. So it's good for them to meet, have discussions, everybody discuss everything so that we can stop these protests and there'll be no more disruption to the transport system. Alright guys, let us know what you think about what's going on with these taxi and bus operators striking. Alright, have a good day. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comments in the section below.